Does your backyard feel more stressful than soothing? So many people fill small spaces with random plants, plastic decor, and too many colors. And instead of peace, they end up creating chaos. If your garden doesn't calm your mind, it's not a true garden. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Because today, I'll show you how to design a Zen-inspired small garden in 2025 that transforms stress into serenity. Zen gardens are built on 3 principles: simplicity, balance, and mindfulness. Start by decluttering. Remove anything that feels heavy or unnecessary. Keep only the essentials. A few plants, stones, or wooden elements that speak peace. In a Zen small garden, natural elements are key. Use gravel, sand, or small pebbles to create calming textures. A simple stone pathway or a raked gravel corner brings a meditative feel, even in a tiny backyard. Plants should be chosen with care. Bamboo, ferns, bonsai, and moss are perfect for a Zen atmosphere. Their gentle growth patterns remind us of patience and balance. Add a single flowering plant like jasmine or lotus for a touch of quiet beauty. Water is also important. A mini fountain or even a bowl with floating candles and flowers can add a soft sound of flow, instantly relaxing the mind. Seating is not about luxury in Zen design. It's about mindfulness. A simple wooden bench, a cushion on stone, or even a flat surface for meditation creates a place to breathe and reflect. Lighting brings it all together. In 2025, warm ground lanterns and soft solar lamps are trending. Place them low, near plants or stones, so the light feels natural and soothing instead of harsh. So if your backyard feels stressful now, remember this: a Zen small garden is not about size, it's about peace. With just a few mindful changes, you can create a stress-free retreat right at home. Thank you for watching Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Which Zen garden idea will you try first in 2025?